First full day in Korea.
So it's 7 o'clock in the morning right now. Jules is still asleep. And so I'm just heading to the gym. Gonna get a quick workout in to start our day. And then grab some breakfast on the way home. So let's go. So I just finished a workout and then I'm walking back home and I stumbled across this. I guess it's like a do-it-yourself flower shop. I'm gonna try it out. Try to get some flowers for Jules. It's a really rainy day today. Just want to bring back something nice for her. It should be a nice little surprise. So it looks like there's two different options that you can do. So you can kind of make your own little flower bag. You gotta buy the bag and the flowers separately, and then they give you water to put in. And then you can also buy a strap with it as well. They've got a bunch of different little cute straps. I guess you just give the flowers like this. Or they also have these pre-made flowers. These flowers are in cups. So you can pick a single flower or you can pick like one that's pre-assembled for you. Back to option one here. They also have all these different flowers that you can just choose from. It's a really cool concept. Never seen anything like it. Hey baby! I got you flowers.
Aw, thank you. You're so cute. Good morning.
Morning everyone.
First full day in Korea. What are we doing today?
We're doing a bunch of things. So we're gonna get some breakfast. Okay, here's the car.
First, we're gonna get our climate card, which is like a transit pass, and it's gonna be for like unlimited subway and bus. Then we're gonna take the subway from Hapjeong to Seongsu station to get some breakfast sandwiches, and then we're gonna work our way back to Daiso. So we got our climate cards. Basically, you can buy them at convenience stores. They're 3,000 won each, and then you go into a subway station to register it with one of the machines. So these are the machines where you can load your card. So you can press English, do a 30-day pass. So by the way, it's 62,000 if the bike is not included, and it's 65,000 if you want to also ride like the city bikes. It's way too hot to ride the city bike, so we're just doing transit. Do you have your card, babe?
Is it just only bills?
It might be bills. Like,
You can insert 50,000 grand notes. Only when you reload. Please wait until reloading is
Nice
complete.
baby.
저 노을빛이 담은 하늘의 색감 이 모든 것을 내가 지면 사라질 거야 오 너의
The bread is so soft. It's like perfectly toasted, but still soft. Like,
And it kind of has like a sweet flavor to it as well.
yeah, you'll actually notice with a lot of Korean food, it leans sweet. For example, garlic bread. Garlic bread back home is savory, but garlic bread here has a little bit of sweetness.
Yeah, mine's real saucy. I can tell that they put like some kind of hollandaise, and then there's like cheese, and then whatever like sweet mayo sauce as well.
Yeah, mine has like avocado sauce and avocado slices on it.
주자 냄새와 맛을 잃은 요리사처럼 슬픈 이야기가 있을까 코로나가 난 사랑 and the melody irony하게 세상이 멈춰졌으니 now ready I gotta get on this 골프와 주식 위스키 얘기는 그만하시죠 앤디 장미쇼 키스처럼 너의 하얀 마음을 치료해본 다음 사랑에 빠졌어
We're in Seongsu. How would you describe Seongsu?
Like the Brooklyn of Seoul.
Yeah, it's just like a really trendy neighborhood right now. Lots of stores, shopping, restaurants, and we're gonna have dinner right now at this trending place called Grandmother's Recipe.
And so what type of food are we gonna eat?
It's Korean food. So it's like a cozy little restaurant. The owners made it so that it feels like you're just eating Grandma's recipe.
Some really authentic dishes, so maybe there's stuff that's new that we'll try today.
Yeah, so let's go.
Fun.
Harmony recipe. Harmony means grandmother recipe.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the translation, babe.
There's a lot of bibimbaps.
A lot of bibimbap.
This one's the marinated crab.
Yeah. Ooh, I might try that. They have like a lot of traditional items like grilled fish, bone broth soup. What's this one?
This is egg
This one is small fishes. Like there's some peanuts in here for like texture. Different types of seeds, and then there's like an almond, a walnut as well. There's like some cabbage. It's like very vinegary. There's some tofu as well. Oh, that wasn't tofu. That was like mushroom. Is it?
And then she said this is some sort of jelly. It doesn't have much of a strong flavor. 감사합니다. Ooh. So I got a mushroom bibimbap and a side of bulgogi. So you can help me with my bulgogi. Look, they gave me 2 grapes.
A palate cleanser. Thank you.
The gochujang.
It's like some butter as well that you can put it with the crab. I'm not sure how you eat this, but we'll figure it out. This is like the Korean soy sauce marinated crab.
They give you all the tools to crack it open too.
What is this? I guess this is to like pick at
Yeah.
the crab inside its shell.
Yeah.
So we just finished eating at Grandma's recipe. Yeah, quite the experience. It was a really flavorful dish, really seafoody, savory. Like the meat itself, the texture was just kind of like mush.
You mean it was soft?
Yeah, it was soft. It was good. Like it was a good dish. There was like a lot of things in that dish. Like you could eat it with butter, you could eat it with the soy sauce. Honestly, not like a restaurant I would take you on our first date. It was good.
Yeah.
I liked it.
Yeah.
The kind of shit that they would put on you at Belle.
This is an umbrella. That's so cool. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh my god, I wonder if the owner makes these.
That would be crazy.
Hey, what?
What is this? It's like little poop.
It's in a tissue box. Is it actually functional? Imagine this was functional. That'd be sick. It's little poos. And things. You should have this for the amount of time you spend in the bathroom.
Okay. Hi, Pokey. Grumpy little cat.
안녕하세요. 떡볶이나
It's okay if I film.
Keep your eyes open, please. Keep your eyes closed, please.
So what do they do to you?
Well, first I took off my makeup and then we did the skin analysis. So they took a whole bunch of really detailed photos of my face and I think they're gonna tell me everything that's wrong with me.
Okay. There's nothing wrong with you, baby.
I just compared to all these beautiful Korean women with their perfect skin. I don't know how I'm gonna compare. So I'm a little bit nervous to hear what they have to say.
All right. Well, there's no comparison.
Have like a main skin concern. I do get random acne. There's like some pigmentation.
Anti-aging. I'm over 30 now, so...
Oh, I actually
would like some Botox today.
그 보톡스도 하고 싶대요.
I clench my jaw and it hurts.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can I touch your face?
Yes, please.
What is your main concern of your skin? Okay, double check.
And uneven skin tone.
Skin tone, okay. For skin tone, peeling a lot of peel is very effective. Okay, a lot of peel remove the outermost skin layer, thereby make your skin and more surface more even. Then after that, you might feel your skin more glossier because your skin surface become more even. Okay. And for your double chin, the Hongdae lifting is very helpful. It removes some fat, subcutaneous fat of your double chin area and enhance your skin laxity of your double chin area, thereby lifting your lower face too.
That's good.
First of today, Hongdae lifting and Repic could be suitable for you. Botox at muscular jaw could be helpful. After Botox, the muscle paralyzed and it's gonna be smaller, so thereby your contour of the lower face is more sharp than before. Okay. So if you hope the jaw Botox could be helpful.
Yes, please.
그 깨끗한 보톡스를 맞으시는 게 좋거든요. 그게 코어톡스예요.
She said that these two are Korean, so they are a bit cheaper. So this one is the standard one, but this one is like a cleaner, more pure version of the Botox.
Now we're at the COEX Mall. We're just getting something to eat. We're at one of my favorite places called Cafe Mama's and we're getting a Philly cheesesteak. Anyways, wanted to debrief about my skincare treatments at the Repic Clinic.
Repic?
Repic. I got the Laha peel. That was totally painless. It's basically just a chemical peel. Afterwards, my skin did feel really smooth and I'll have to take a closer look to see if any of my hyperpigmentation went away. But that's what is supposed to happen. But the big thing that I got done was the Hongdae lifting. It uses, I think, microwaves to burn away fat and stimulate collagen. And they mostly did it like underneath my chin area and along my jawline for a more snatched jaw. I'm on a mission to try to get rid of my double chin. And they say that it's like relatively painless, and it did burn at some points. Like it got really hot and it did feel like I was burning a little bit. So there were some points when I had to tell the doctor that it was hot. And it only took like, what, 10 minutes or so?
Yeah, like 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah, so you're just like moving around like a metal kind of thing on my skin.
How long is the healing process?
There's no downtime, like I'm totally fine now. But they said that you can see results from Hongdae in like a couple weeks, with like optimal results being like a month or two later. What are we doing today, babe?
So we're getting my hair cut. My hair's pretty long right now, getting kind of unbearable with the heat. So looking for a shorter haircut at
This is the Leeum Museum of Art, and it's made by the Samsung Foundation of Art. There's actually 3 buildings connected to here. There's one which is free admission, which is the traditional Korean art. And then there's 2 buildings of modern and contemporary art, but then those are paid. And right now it's 12,000 won each to go into those.
We highly recommend this place. There's like this spiral staircase that everyone goes to, which is really nice. And then there's like a moody yellow staircase at the end that people take pictures at. The whole thing took us about maybe like an hour and a half.
Well, we only did the free traditional area. I'm sure like the modern contemporary ones would take longer. And like other than being Instagrammable, it's obviously nice to learn about the Korean history as well.